I'm finally getting another retwist tomorrow. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. Ooh, Lord. I was trying out some new styles to see how my hair would look. Y'all, I might post some pictures if I'm not too ashamed because they look rough. Let me get the back for y'all. Alright, I'm back with a fresh retwist. This is my 7-month update. Yeah. I actually seen a lot of progress from last month to this month as far as length goes. Thickness, probably about the same. Well, it looks about the same right now, but last night when I was looking at it, it looked a little bit thicker than what it was at first. Why does my voice sound like that? And as far as like just minor updates to my hair, I think the biggest concern this time is going to be focusing on moisture, because this past month I really didn't moisturize my hair like I had been doing before. So, like I've probably only been moisturizing my hair like once or twice a week. So for this month, I'm trying to make sure I moisturize at least 3 or 4 times a week because my scalp is extra dry, and I have to keep in mind it's also the winter time, so my hair is more likely to be dry. And also my lactation, that was something she noticed too, because she was asking about dryness, because she said she noticed some breakage and all that. So you can be mindful of that, and also making sure I stay hydrated, because hydration, that does factor into your hair, skin, everything else. And at first I was really concerned about like the thickness of my locks, because the ones in the middle are a lot thicker than the ones on the edges, because I was worried that the ones in the middle were going to be like too thick for my liking, but I'm not really that concerned with it now. I think it's going to be fine. But I don't really want the ones on the edges to be like super thin. But I think that's gonna go back into me making sure I keep my hair moisturized and all that. I might try to go a little bit longer between retwists this time, because I've been doing a month in between retwists for the last couple months. So I'm gonna try to hold out a little bit longer depending on how it looks, because I don't want to be looking crazy and whatnot. And from last month to this month, another thing that I did, I made sure I misted my hair with water twice a day for the most part. And I also went longer without wearing wigs. I think that made a difference as far as growth goes. Just from my experience, I'm not speaking on anybody else's journey. I'm just saying what happened to me. Dandruff wasn't really as bad this month as it was last month. Still pretty bad, but honestly, I'm not gonna complain, because it's been better than it's been the last few years. But yeah, I think that's all the updates I have for now in regards to my locks. I'll keep y'all posted on anything else that changes in my journey. If y'all have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I hope you like this video. And if you are someone who loves lock videos, lock update videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell. So I'll talk to y'all later.